AI engine using Python. Process flow of requisition, purchase requirement, vendor, quotation to purchase order to vendor, material flow, material receiving, material QC, payment approval, and payment to vendor. Please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Authors' videos and white papers on AI engines. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI architect. Book for your library. Scan QR code, bookstore in the cloud. The diagram is a high-level overview of a business intelligence (BI) system, focusing on the technical aspects. Here is a breakdown of the diagram. Tech layer: this is a technological infrastructure that supports the BI system. It includes hardware, software, and networks. Service layer: this layer interacts with the tech layer and the functional layer. It provides data access and management services. Functional layer: this layer includes the business logic and data analysis capabilities of the BI system. Here, data is transformed and analyzed to meet the needs of the users. Process: this section refers to the various processes that the BI system supports. Bill approval and disbursement are two processes explicitly mentioned in the schema. The schema depicts how data flows through a purchasing and billing process. Here is an interpretation of the data flow. 1. A purchase order is created, in the purchasing department. 2. The purchase order is approved. 3. The vendor sends a bill, electronically. 4. The bill is matched with the corresponding purchase order, indicated by the copy of purchase order text. 5. The bill is approved for disbursement. 6. Disbursement is made, payment is sent to the vendor. The schema also shows that the BI system interacts with other enterprise systems, such as accounting, stock control. These systems provide data to the BI and AI engine system, which generates reports, analytics, and predictions. Overall, the diagram suggests that this BI system is designed to support financial processes, particularly purchasing and bill approval. It is important to note that this is just an interpretation of the schema, and the specific details of how the system works would depend on the organization that uses it. The details of the forecast graph without any conversion rates, focusing solely on Indian rupees, INR. 1. Combined quantity forecast. The blue line represents the 2023 forecast quantity, starting at approximately 600 units and fluctuating throughout the year. It reaches a peak near 1000 units and drops to around 200 units at another point, ultimately ending slightly above its initial value. The orange line represents the 2025 forecast quantity, beginning just below 800 units. It shows less fluctuation than in 2023, with its highest peak reaching just above approximately 900 units and its lowest point around roughly 600 units. 2. Combined price per unit forecast. The blue line corresponds to the 2023 forecast price per unit. It starts just above 100 INR per unit, dips to around 80 INR, peaks at about 115 INR, and ends near 100 INR. The orange line represents the 2025 forecast price per unit. It starts around 110 INR, peaks around 125 INR, dips to near 100 INR, and ends slightly above its initial value. 3. Time axis. The x-axis is labeled with months from January 2023 to January 2026, in monthly increments. 4. Quantity axis. The y-axis on the upper graph measures quantity, ranging from 0 to 1000 units. 5. Price axis. The y-axis on the lower graph measures the price per unit in INR, ranging from 0 to 125 INR. This visual representation provides insights into forecasted product quantities and prices over a 3-year period, crucial for business planning and economic analysis. The lower price per unit in INR for 2025 could be influenced by various factors. Here are a few possibilities. 1. Market dynamics. Changes in supply and demand can impact prices. If demand decreases or supply increases significantly, prices may drop. 2. Cost factors. Production costs, raw material prices, and operational expenses can affect the final price. If these costs decrease, it could lead to a lower price per unit. 3. Competition. Increased competition among suppliers or manufacturers can drive prices down. If more players enter the market, they might compete by offering lower prices. 4. Economic conditions. Economic fluctuations, inflation rates, and currency exchange rates can all play a role. If the economy is sluggish, prices may decrease. 5. Technological advancements. Innovations or efficiency improvements in production processes can reduce costs, leading to lower prices. Remember that these are general considerations, and specific reasons would depend on the industry, product, and market conditions. Compared the historical data with the forecasted data from the second graph, which represents the combined price per unit forecast in INR crore. 1. Historical data. The historical price per unit, in blue, shows significant variability but generally remains within a range of approximately 85 to 115 INR crore. Over the years, there have been fluctuations, but the overall trend has been relatively stable. 2. Forecasted data. The forecasted price per unit, in orange, starts at around 100 INR crore in September 2024 and exhibits an increasing trend. By the end of the forecast period, around June 2025, the price per unit is expected to reach higher than any point in the historical data. 3. Summary. Based on the forecast, there is an optimistic outlook for the price per unit, suggesting growth beyond historical levels. However, specific factors driving this increase are not evident from the graph alone. External economic conditions, supply and demand dynamics, and other market influences could play a role. Remember that these trends are based on available data and forecasts, and actual outcomes may vary. This Python program simulates and forecasts monthly sales data for 15 items over a period of 2 years. Here's a breakdown of the code. 1. Imports. Pandas as PD, used for data manipulation and creating data frames. NumPy as NP, used for generating random numbers. Matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, used for creating visualizations. From statsmodels.tsa.hold winters import exponential smoothing, used for implementing the exponential smoothing forecasting model. 2. Data generation. Sets a random seed for reproducibility, same random numbers every time the code runs. Defines a date range covering 2 years, 2023 to 2024, with monthly frequency. Creates a list of item names, item_1 to item_15. Uses loops to generate random monthly data for each item. Quantity, random integers between 20 and 100, representing monthly sales quantity. Price, random floats between 50.0 and 150.0, representing monthly price per unit. Appends each data point, month, item name, quantity, price, to a list named monthly_data. 3. Data preparation. Creates a data frame DF from the monthly_data list. Aggregates the data by month. Sums the quantity sold for each item in each month. Calculates the average price per unit for each item in each month. Resets the index to create a regular data frame with month as the index. 4. Forecasting. Uses the exponential smoothing function from stats models. Fits a model for quantity prediction considering seasonality, yearly trend, with a period of 12 months. Generates a forecast for the next 12 months, 2025, based on the fitted model. Repeats the process for price per unit forecasting. 5. Forecast results. Defines a date range for the forecast period, 2025 with monthly frequency. Creates a data frame forecast_df combining the forecasted quantity and price per unit for each month in 2025. 6. Visualization. Creates a figure with 2 subplots for quantity and price forecasts. Plots the actual historical data, 2023 to 2024, for quantity and price per unit. Overlays the forecasted values, 2025, for quantity and price per unit on the same plots with a dashed line for differentiation. Sets labels and titles for each plot and the overall figure. Shows the combined visualization. Overall, this program demonstrates how to use Python libraries to simulate sales data, perform forecasting using exponential smoothing, and visualize the results. Thanks.